Introduction to robotic cell component. Teach pendant. Second teach pendant. HMI panel. Limit switch. 414 kV transformer. And building power source machine. Hand to robot controller YRC 1000. Robot control YRC 1000. AR1440 and YRC robot controller 1000 gp12 gas cylinder. First robot Yaskawa gp12 work for pick and place and matrix table, input conveyor belt, draw table, output conveyor belt, and second robot Yaskawa AR1440 or building robot, building teach table and building table. Introduction to robot Yaskawa gp12. gp12 robot YRC 1000 robot controller. gp12 1 VC main power source, air pipe and 6-axis movement, servo motor, 6-axis movement, S, L, U, R, V, T. Indifector, gripper, Tuja. Job